In this practical example we will train the use of sketch commands, creating sketches to later model a candlestick. We will also see how to use the ellipse command, very important in creating sketches of more complex geometries. Let's get started. In a new piece file, in the frontal plane, we start a sketch and draw a center line. With the command line, we draw the lines and arches, creating the main profile of the candlestick. We apply the necessary relationships and scale as shown. We confirmed this sketch and started another one on the right plane. We draw an ellipse using the command ellipse, first clicking to set the center and then to define the ends. We define as shown and confirm. On the plane front we start another sketch, where we will draw the profile of the handle of the candlestick. Using lines and arches, we draw the profile. We apply the necessary relationships and dimensions and confirm the sketch. To create the last sketch, we first need to create a reference plan. To create the reference plane, in the Insert menu, in the Reference Geometry option, click on Plane. We select the top plane as a reference and set the distance to 220 mm. We confirm and have the plan created. We start a sketch on this plane and draw a circle. We define as shown and confirm. We apply the isometric view to visualizing all the sketches created. Later we will see how to model a candlestick using these sketches, so save this file. We finished this example, where we trained using sketch commands and learned how to use the ellipse command.